Hello and welcome to my channel. So in the previous lecture we have started installation of Python. We understood syntax and interactive shell as well as editing, saving and running a string. So in today's lecture we are going to learn understanding data types and variables in Python programming. So the best part is in Python programming you do not have to worry about how to declare a variable as we declare in traditional programming languages like C, C++ or .NET, in Java, even in FoxPro, or these all traditional programming languages require declaration of a variable. But in Python programming, you do not have to declare any sort of variable. So just open IDE and then press the hit control plus N shortcut, and then you can start typing by variable 1 is equals to 45. So this variable 1 will become a integer variable. So I have made a list of variables here. You can see here, if you want to declare integer variable, just to type x is equal to 10. This will become the x, small x will become a whole number or integer variable. Similarly, if you want to declare a floating variable, it represents a floating point numbers with the decimal points. So you just have to, you require to write here 3.14, y is equal to 3.14. So this y will become a floating variable. In this series, we also have a complex number. We will discuss more about complex variable in the upcoming lectures, but today I'm just giving you an idea that if you want to represent complex numbers with real and imaginary part, you just write here 2 plus 3j, means here you have to write a real part and this part is imaginary part. So you just have to write like this. This is the syntax of writing, assigning a complex number to a variable. This z is become a complex data type. It is a complex number, and complex number has two different sort of numbers. One is imaginary, another one is real. So this, the left hand side part is your real part and this is imagery part. We will make a program using this, but in the upcoming lecture. Then we have a string data type, is also known as, it comes under sequence type. So I have made a heading here, sequence type. The first part was numeric and the second part is sequence. So in sequence type we have first one string data type. If you want to make a string, then just type like this name is equal to Python. So let's have some example here, like variable 2 is equal to 3.14, and if you want to declare a string variable str name, so you can write here, if your name is Yogesh or Suresh or Mukesh, just write here Mukesh. So this string name, str name, will have a value called Mukesh. So this is the basic data types that is used in the Python. Now let's discuss about the new data types in Python, which is mutable or immutable. What is mutable means you can change the value of that particular data type. If it is immutable, you cannot change the value. So in sequence types, first data type is list, that represent ordered, means apple will come first, banana will come later on, then cherry. So in ordered list data type, we are mutable collection of the items. If you want to assign, if you want to create list, just write the name of the list and then assign value like this. Here the brackets are important. So in this list we use the square bracket. In much more detail in our syllabus, you can see here we have different types one more time. So in today's lecture I'm just giving you what are data types available in the Python. Next we have tuple. To similar, it is similar as list, but it is immutable. It is written here. It means 10 and 20 cannot be changed once it if you will assign the value. But apple can be changed to banana and banana can be changed to apple. You can change to any list item, but in tuples you cannot change the values. Then we have range. Range means you can assign value here, numbers is equal to range. This is like a function, but you can create this data type using range name. So once you will assign here 5, the output will be, this means is numbers it stores a collection of numbers from 0 to 5. Then we have mapping types. So this mapping types is the third category of the data type in Python programming. So after numeric data type and sequence types, we have mapping types as well. In mapping types, I have just included the first data type is dictionary, DICT. It stores dictionary values. So we know that what are dictionaries. Dictionaries have some values. So you can write like this. It is similar to tuple, but it is also immutable. So you can write like name, then you have to make pair with colon sign. So this is the first value of dictionary, that name is John. Second value is age colon 20. So his age is 20. You can like this. If you want to specify some more detail like this, you can just write say for example city, and John lives in Somni. So you can write like this. If it is string value, you have to put square brackets as you can see here previously, and if you have numeric value or floating value, no need for double quotation or single quotation mark. Then we have set types. This is the fourth data type. In mapping types, we only have dictionary, and now we have set. This is mathematical set. So in set types, it is represents unordered mutable collections of unique items. Just remember one thing: in mutable you can change the values, and in immutable you cannot change the value. If you have to specify another name in the dictionary, you have to write this one more time. And in set types, you can change the values. Okay, so unique numbers is equal to, here also a curly bracket is required like dictionary, but in dictionary what is the difference? You have two values together separated by column. Here you have just one value separated by comma. So frozen sets. So what is set and what is frozen set? Frozen set represents unordered immutable collections of unique items. So this is the difference. It is set of unique items. Like here also we have 1 2 3, here also we have 1 2 3, but these are called unique items. You should have unique items in your list. You cannot repeat the items on your particular set. Then we have boolean data type. Boolean type, we have only one data type, that is bool. So is a true is valid is equal to true. This is the name of the variable, is equal to, if you will assign true. So as you can see here, true is not written inside the double quotation mark. It means true is a keyword that will be used in Python. So I'll just copy and paste this particular portion of the code on your screen. So you can see here all the data type in Python shows in this particular orange color. Let's go to our further steps. That next we have binary types. So what is the difference between boolean and binary? Binary holds binary values. It means you have to write b just before, you have to prefix b before the particular binary type. It is immutable, you cannot change the value, and this will become a binary type. You can write as it is. So I'm just copying and pasting over here. You can see here this is now binary value. And let's print some value of this program. I'm just starting with the particular binary value. So I have to run this script. For that, running module, saving module, I'm just typing here prg03.py, and you can see here this is binary values printed here. Then we have byte array. Byte array means represents mutable sequence of bytes. You can just type here BA, that is byte array. Byte array is a data type creation. It will create a byte array type, and you can write here B hello. So it will create array of bytes. Then we have memory view, the last one, and this is under category of binary types. Memory view, so represents a view object that exposes data from other binary objects. It means you can represent a view object that exposes data from other binary objects. I have repeated the same sentence again. It's very simple. So once you have write this one, it will represent what? A view object. Then we have seventh data type, it is none. This is most important. It asks in some Viva type examination what is none data type. None type represents the absence of a value or something else. So what does it mean? If you will write like this, so there will be no value assigned to x. This is the meaning of x. This x will become a none. Now we have also one example program for numeric. As you can see here, this will become integer, this is floating, this is complex. In sequence you can write like hello, this is list and tuple and range. Mapping types you can write dictionary. This is called mapping. So remember, mapping and dictionary are same topic in Python programming. These are the set example, simple set or frozen set. Then we have boolean type. So in this manner you can write a program and you can understand what are data types and variable assignments in Python programming. So I hope you like the lecture. If you do not understand anything, please comment me on the below section. Subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and see you on the next topic, that is immutable. And I think I have already explained what is immutable and mutable, so I am skipping the topic number 5. In the next lecture I am going to explain what are the operators in Python using arithmetics to operators in Python, decrement, increment operators in Python. So wait for the lecture. See you on the next video. Thank you very much.